Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert, here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you how to triple the output of your power washer. See how it's rotating? See how skinny that is? This cutter head, like 5 times the pressure. So instead of say 1,000 psi, it's 5,000 psi. You would much rather have a tool that is doing a foot at a time instead of 4 inches at a time. When I'm doing something like power washing mold off of a deck. How to remove moss off a deck. You know that the green head's about the best for doing work, but it only gives me about a 6-inch wide pattern. And I've used a cutter head. And I'm going to show you the difference in how this cutter head, this rotating cutter head, cost me about $50 a few years ago, makes all the difference in the world. It's all about the head and how many gallons per minute your power washer delivers. So take a look at these two heads. Here's the plain head, barely removing the moss. See how slow I have to go to get the moss out? And show you what the cutter head does. It just gets the moss, rips it right out of the deck. Green head in a power washer compared to the cutter head mold off of a deck. Here was when I was real close to the deck, and with the green head I'm only getting a 4-inch wide cut. I backed away a little bit to where it was 6 inches wide. It's just not doing the job. This head is okay, but I'm going to be cleaning this deck all day long. There, see how skinny that is? The pump is off, so I wouldn't put my finger in there with the pump running. Instead of coming out straight, it's going to rotate, and it is great. But the fact that it rotates, not only was this way faster, but it was a lot more fun because it did a much wider swath. And if you have to power wash and clean, you would much rather have a tool that is doing a foot at a time instead of 4 inches at a time. Quick advice from MrHardware.com, get a cutter head, get a decent plain Jane power washer, and you can really get some work done and enjoy it.